with the UT Extension, and Farm Bureau puts on this Farm Day as part of their Ag in the Classroom program. And we work with them through our 4-H program to make sure animals can be brought out so the kids can see chickens and sheep and goats and cattle and get a feel for the animals that are on the farms in Knox County. And other people bring out pigs and horses, and so there's a great experience. The kids actually get to touch and see what the animals are like. Well, we have cattle, pigs, horses, chickens, rabbits, sheep, goats. I think that's it. A lot of our 4-H kids are in project groups that work with chickens and lambs and goats and cattle, horses. And they have the opportunity then to bring them out, and it's part of our goal to try to encourage our 4-Hers and encourage people that work with us to talk about the story of agriculture and how important it is for our community.